What's up, Amazon shoppers? Colorado Strong. I picked up a four-pack. Four-pack. Look at that, four-pack. Man, there's nothing that's going to stand in your way of charging now. USB-C fast charge, four of them. I included right here a couple of other chargers I've got, just to give you an idea of the size of them. I'm recording this on a Samsung S20, and this is the factory charger. And I just want to toss that in there to give you an idea of the size of it. So they're not that much larger than a factory charger. I don't know about the Apple products, but pretty close right there. So this Samsung charger does the super fast charge. This is a charger, a travel charger I picked up from Amazon. Has the USB and the USB-C plug. This one does fast charging. These do also. I don't have anything to show you right now number wise what I used. I used one of these cords from Amazon right here, and that shows your blue LED, the wattage of your device charging. Generally my phone is the only thing I use that on. So I did a trial between the Samsung factory charger, the travel adapter, and all four of these, how do you want to say that? Anskoi? We'll go with Anskoi. So I did all four of those with the USB-C port and my LED readout watt meter. So on the factory charger, my phone was at 85%. It went to super fast charging and it showed 22 minutes left, and it was charging between 11 and 14 watts. The travel adapter, the phone was still at 85%. It went to fast charging, not super fast, but it was doing 11 to 14 watts also and showing a remaining 22-minute charge time. The Anskoi, all four of them, plugged it in right there. All four of those showed, my phone showed 85% battery life left, and they went, each one of those I tried went to fast charging, and they showed 11 to 14 watts on this device right here at 22 minutes time left to charge. So overall, these are fantastic products right here. Saves a lot of space with all your cords. Thanks for watching, Colorado Strong. Talk to you later.